I'm down at the back of our section and across the little canal to take a look at the clump of bamboo that I cut back about a year ago. And I'm very happy that there's minimal growth. I've actually just cut this piece here off, and I'll take it with me because it's got some roots on it, so I'll pop it in a pot and plant it. But apart from that, there was only one other piece, and I've just hacked that out. But here you can see that this looks pretty dead. The pieces that are there are dry and hard. There doesn't look like there's any life in it at all. But it is the dry season, so I will come back again after the start of the rain, probably in June or July, to have another look and cut it back a little bit more. But I think this method of removing the bamboo is quite successful and with minimal effort. Sure, there's still the rhizome in the ground, but the bamboo is not growing anymore, not significantly anyway.